Hi guys, this is Srinivas once again for you. I'm working as assistant professor in Python PG courses. Today I'm going to teach you a very important concept, that is exact equation in differentiation. It will be useful for all the BAYE'S students and BCom students. So here we have some sort of a problem, that is solve the following differential equation, that is 2x minus y plus 1 of dx plus 2y minus x minus 1 of dy equal to 0. So in the previous video I have uploaded the homogeneous function to check it out. Here the standard form of exact equation is as follows. That is, if the differential equation in the form of mdx plus dy equal to 0, and hence we can say that the given function is in the form of exact equation. If you compare these two, this is the form of mdx plus dy. Okay. After this we are going to check it out the condition dou m by dou y equal to dou n by dou x or not. That is a partial differentiation with respect to y and the partial differentiation with respect to x here. So I am going to check out the condition, that is dou by dou y of m means this is all about m dx. So the value of m is 2x minus y plus 1, that equal to dou by dou x of what is n, that is 2y minus x minus 1. When we are going to differentiate partially with respect to y, the value of x should be 0. So I am going to differentiate with respect to y partially, the value of x should be 0, 0, and I am going to differentiate with respect to y, the value of y is 1 and with constant is 0. And when we are going to differentiate partially with respect to x, the terms of y should be 0, the value should be 0, and the value should be 1 and it should be 0. So finally we got minus 1 here and we got again minus 1. So obviously dou m by dou y is equal to dou n by dou x. After this we have some sort of a notation for this case, integral m dx plus integral terms in n not in x dx equal to 0. So that is integral m dx plus integral terms in n not in x dy equal to 0, which implies integral, what is n here, that is 2x minus y plus 1 times of dx plus integral terms in n not in x dx. So not in x means we have 2y minus 1 dy equal to 0, which implies 2 into integral x dx is x square by 2 minus y into integral 1 dx is x plus 2y into integral y dy is y square by 2 minus y plus 6, that equal to 0. These two gets cancelled, these two gets cancelled. X square plus y square minus yx minus y plus x equal to 0. These are about the solution for the given differential equation. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Thank you.